Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. All right, so I would have to know where your case got denied. What exactly was denied? You say that the appeal was done and you got a briefing schedule after 2 years, which is longer than usual. And you say that your attorney submitted the brief, but that DHS didn't respond and it's been 5 years. Something doesn't sound right. Okay. The first thing I would do if I were retained is I'd get a copy of the immigration court file and I'd see what's going on. It something just doesn't sound right. Things take time, but it doesn't take 5 years. Not when it's up on appeal. They have procedures they go through. It goes through the calendaring, and then it goes forward. And normally it doesn't even take 2 years to get a briefing schedule. That doesn't make sense either. Once the appeal goes through, the briefing schedule is very quick. You'll get a response that the appeal's been properly filed, and you'll get a calendaring of the briefing schedule. No way it's going to take 2 years. So unless it's at perhaps Balka, but I would need to know. Now, assuming, as I suspect here, you are not correct, I would need to know why you think that these dates exist. I am willing to bet you've never seen a brief that was actually filed, that your attorney, assuming your attorney did it, never sent you. So you might be waiting forever. Okay, if it wasn't properly done and you're being given misinformation, you might be waiting forever. So it would behoove you to retain an attorney to pull all of the information for your files, see what's really going on, and then make a game plan from there. If by some magic reason you're correct and that in fact it has been more than 5 years and it really did take more than 2 years to get the briefing schedule, which again, I'm about 99.99% sure that's not the case, but assuming it is, then a writ of mandate can be filed in the U.S. District Court, which basically sues immigration for taking this long and orders them to make a decision. Doesn't order them to say yes. It may be a no. And if you went up on appeal, I would have to see what it is you went up on appeal for. Maybe your case isn't good. Okay, maybe there's no viable way of winning, and maybe the delay here is to your benefit until something better comes along. All the more reason to properly review it and see what's going on. Okay?